Hi, I'm David Sternlight, CEO of Cabeau, a family-owned travel accessory business. Like you and the rest of the world, COVID-19 has dramatically shaken our lives. To be frank, our company has been hit hard by what COVID-19 has done to our industry. We have a fantastic team that is pivoting hard to sell alternative products while staying true to ourselves to having quality products that help. You may have seen in the news that the CDC at a minimum recommends wearing cloth face masks while outside to help slow the spread of the virus. We believe any level of protection and prevention is better than nothing, but there are studies that show that because of their woven fibers, cloth masks can only block approximately 3% of particles. We believe that any imported N95 mask should be reserved for those serving on the front lines. Unfortunately, other high-quality filtering masks are difficult to find. In an effort to make high-quality face masks more readily available, our company has used our connections to quality factories in Asia to provide non-surgical, disposable filtration face masks that meet ASTM Level 2 standards for bacterial and submicron particle filtration efficiency. These masks are made for civilian use and do not take away from supplies reserved for medical professionals and first responders. We are offering these products first to you, our valued Cabeau Club customers, until the end of the week before we open up sales to the general public. By protecting your loved ones, you are also helping to keep our business afloat. Thank you in advance, and working together, we will all get through this.